Hey YouTube, this is a quick video about the situation with the Dell Inspiron 15-inch 4520 model and another model name for this P112F. So it came to me after several repair shops. It was not displaying anything on the screen, even though the original issue was the cracked screen. And one shop tried different screen, another shop tried different cable, and basically at the end of the day nothing was working unless I unplugged the screen completely. And after doing some research and ordering some parts, it turned out to be the issue turned out to be related to the LCD cable that was used by one of the repair shops. Let me shut it down and cover it up. Shut it down completely. Okay, unplug the power cord, unplug the battery as well. Okay, so here's the cable that was used here. And let me put it under microscope. This is the cable that this laptop came in here to me with. So it's GDM50 TSF HD eDP cable, 40 pin. Okay, and if you unplug the cable, it says eDP connector, so could be the right cable, right? But it was not the right cable. The right cable for this model is HDL50 and TSF HD eDP. So see the difference in model number, though the cable look exactly the same. On this side, as you can see, looks exactly the same. Okay, maybe not exactly the same, there's a little bit of difference, but anyway, so if you take a look under the RAM slot B, the DIMM B DDR4 slot, you can see that it says here actually, so that's what I'm thinking might be related. So it says HDL50, HDL5A, HDL50, HDL5A. Okay, and if you look at the proper cable that needs to be used on this computer, it says HDL50, same thing. So I think it might be related. I mean, I would think so, that so the cable should match the motherboard. That, I mean, I was not sure about that. It didn't come to me because I don't really work on Dells. I mostly work on Apple computers, but it appears to me that this is the match, and this cable is actually matching the motherboard. So this is the proper cable for this motherboard and for this computer, and the one that was used is GDM50. So this is the wrong cable. As you can see here, there is a burn mark on one of the pins. Same thing right here. And what was happening actually on these two pins, because they are connected here, it's like a fuse, could be backlight, I'm not exactly sure, could be the backlight fuse, but anyway, so if the LCD was plugged in with this cable plugged in here on the motherboard, these two pins were shorted to ground. Okay, so with new cable, nothing like that is happening. So be careful with this. And as I said, this cable looks exactly the same, just a different model number, and that changes everything. Okay, so I hope I went through this ordeal. I found the right cable, and the right cable was only available on AliExpress, so I had to wait for it for 2 weeks to show up. And after I installed it, tested it out, everything is perfect. The computer is booting up and everything is beautiful. So keep an eye on these models. The model numbers for the LCD cable, because this is eDP as well, as you can see, eDP. Wrong model number and your computer is not gonna work. Your screen is not gonna work. Actually, the whole computer is not gonna work because it gets shorted to ground and the computer just does not respond unless you unplug this cable completely. So I hope this video is gonna help someone who's in the same or similar situation I was. And if you like my videos, please subscribe and hit that thumbs up button. It really helps to grow my channel. And as always, have a lovely day, guys. Bye.